Today marks a historic milestone in global trade. After nearly 2 decades of negotiations, India and the European Union have successfully concluded talks on what is termed as the mother of all trade deals. The journey began in 2007 when India and the EU first sat down to negotiate, but talks stalled multiple times over differences on market access, labor standards, and regulatory issues. Fast forward to 2022, negotiations were relaunched with renewed vigor. Through 14 intense rounds of negotiations, both country officials worked tirelessly. 10 in-person meetings in just the past year alone. And today, January 26, 2026, on India's 77th Republic Day, the announcement we've all been waiting for. The numbers that matter. Let's talk about what makes this the mother of all deals. The European Union is India's largest trading partner, with bilateral trade reaching a staggering $136.5 billion in 2024-25. Exports $75.85 billion, imports $60.68 billion, trade surplus $16.17 billion. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just a goods agreement. With services trade at $83 billion and comprehensive chapters covering investment, digital commerce, and innovation, this FTA is designed for the 21st century. Winners on both sides. So who wins? The answer is everyone. For India, this means duty-free access for labor-intensive exports, textiles, gems and jewelry, leather, footwear, chemicals and electrical machinery. Currently, Indian exporters face tariffs averaging 3.8%, with some sectors hit with 10% duties. This deal eliminates those barriers, opening Europe's massive 450 million-strong consumer market. For the EU, India's tariffs, currently averaging 9.3%, with automobiles facing a steep 35.5%, will come down significantly. European automakers, pharmaceutical companies, and technology firms gain unprecedented access to the world's fastest-growing major economy. Strategic significance. But this deal goes beyond economics. In an era of US tariff wars, with India facing 50% American tariffs and global supply chain disruptions, the India-EU FTA is a strategic masterstroke. It helps both partners reduce dependence on China, builds resilient supply chains, and sends a powerful message. In an increasingly fragmented world, India and Europe choose partnership over protectionism. This agreement transforms India's vision of Vishwamitra, a partner to the world, into reality. What's next? Here's the roadmap ahead. The agreement text now enters legal scrubbing, a process expected to take 5 to 6 months. After that, formal signing by both sides. Then comes ratification by the European Parliament and approval by the Indian Union Cabinet. Legal review, 5 to 6 months. Signing, late 2026. Implementation, early 2027. If all goes according to plan, the FTA could come into force in early 2027, transforming trade relations between two of the world's most important economic blocs. Beyond tariffs and market access, this is about building a partnership for the future, one that promotes digital transformation, supports sustainable development, and creates opportunities for millions across 2 continents. From Delhi to Brussels, from Mumbai to Berlin, this is more than a trade deal. This is a bridge between civilizations, economies, and aspirations. This is the India-EU Free Trade Agreement, truly the mother of all deals. Thanks for watching the video. To view more such insightful videos, interesting facts, and regular updates on trade finance, subscribe to our channel and share with others.